Hello everyone, this is Mark Leibovit from VRTrader.com, and this is a VR tutorial for Metastock covering the Leibovit VR sequential indicator and our stock pick of Cameco CCJ, which, as you may recall, is a uranium play. I put up the weekly chart here because we have an interesting channel, rectangle actually you can call it, that stretched back here all the way to late 2011, early 2012. So the distance and height of this rectangle is about 7 points. So if we take this out, I would measure 7 points higher, which would get you up to about the 30 level in CCJ. And of course, you've got this weekly gap all the way back here from March 2011. And low on that gap is 3680. So that's the potential all the way back up to about the 37 area once this thing gets going. As you can see on the weekly chart here, we'll zoom in a little bit. We've got a Leibovit positive VR this past week, but we also had a very nice one here occurring back on October 18th. And there seems to be some pretty decent correlation here with the VRs and some follow through, as you can see just eyeballing the chart. There are times where you take VRs, other times you don't take VRs. For example, way back here when a Leibovit negative VR was formed on March 1st, 2013, the stochastic was in a downtrend. I would take that VR. This little positive VR I would not have taken because we were still a little downtrend in the indicator. So you got to sort of put the pieces together, but more or less the volume precedes price, and I generally tend to go with this more on the daily chart than on the weekly, but I'm trying to present here the potential here in CCJ. I also like the fact the stochastic on the weekly chart is turned up as well. So with many of the uranium stocks moving here, with some interest in the metals occurring at the moment, a breakout is a strong possibility, so keep an eye on it. We're going to go long here on the bet that it will break out. Have a pleasant day. We'll speak to you soon.